Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Brockville local and long-distance movers near me. Is it time to find a cheap Brockville moving company you can trust? 3 Movers offers the right option for your needs. With the right local or long-distance movers, you can save time and energy on your next move. We know how to make your relocation easier. Our movers have helped plenty of people successfully complete residential and commercial moves. You can make your long-distance move easier with the right services, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. With the right moving services from us, you can relocate easier. Our long-distance moving services will put you in the best situation possible. We know how to save you time, whether you're moving 100 miles away or much further. A Canada moving company will provide you with plenty of help on your local move. With good movers, you can save time, energy, and keep your items protected. Professional movers know how to move things safely. With the help of 3 Movers, you get the best local moving services possible. We streamline the entire process to save you as much time as possible. Our local movers can take your week-long move and handle it in 1 day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brockville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.